Now, I haven't seen anyone really do this, so I thought it would be a nice, interesting idea to talk about hair products that originated out of where I live at. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Lynn, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some natural hair products from my state, from Georgia, or produced out of Georgia. Now, these products, it's so funny because these are my go-to products, so of course I'm gonna have a whole bunch of them. But one thing I like about these brands that I use is that they're black owned, of course, they're woman owned. The packaging is beautiful, it's very consistent, like you know how to identify it. As a business management graduate, that's one thing I definitely like about their stories, and I was just surprised that some of these actually came from my state. So let's get into it. So the first product I wanted to talk about is The Dew, which is out of Macon, Georgia. They also have a salon as well. Now, one thing I like about this is that I think each one of this brand is very, very aesthetically pleasing. I like the design of the products. I like how she switches it up, and especially like when it comes down to her shampoo and conditioner, how it's now most people are in a bottle, hers is more like in a squeeze. So you definitely have to read the titles because you might think that's a cream the whole time it's a shampoo and stuff. And I like just how the products come in a, that's one thing I like with a lot of these new brands that are coming out, their natural hair products, is that they're giving you a lot, okay? Because if I'm paying like almost $20 for a jar, I want a jar. So her creams and balms come in a nice, good sized jar. Thick creams as well, just to note that as well. The mousse, I love the mousse. She recently came out with The Dew recently came out with a gel, and I do plan on trying that. And I have an edge control as well, which smells so nice. That's another thing I like. The products smell so nice. Now, the next one I want to talk about is Forever Beauty, which is out of Smyrna, Georgia. Now, they focus a lot on skincare. So they have a lot of shea butters, a lot of oils. They also have accessories as well. They have scented like moisturizers, which I really, really like. Another brand I want to talk about, which I think everybody named Mama be talking about, is Camilla Rose. Camilla Rose is out of Atlanta, produced out of Atlanta. Now, it is worth the price. Now, it depends on where you live at, because I know I mostly get the leave-in conditioners. I really like the leave-in conditioners, and it could be like $15 to like $17. So check websites, check different stores, because each store be having a different price. But I just want to let y'all know that I am holding $30. I'm holding $30 in my hand right now. $30 in my hand right here. But one thing I like is that, of course, focuses on moisture. Products smell so, like the product smells so good, like you can almost eat it. I've been seeing jokes about people using the honey leave-in in their tea or whatnot, but I'm like, shoot, can you? Because it smells so good, and I just like look how soft my hair looks or whatnot. But it is definitely worth the price. A little goes a long way, and like I said, beautiful packaging and stuff. It's very on theme. I like themes. So another brand that is out of Georgia, especially Atlanta, Georgia, is Talia Wajid. So slept on. They are so slept on. I was watching a video the other day and a person was like, oh my god, I rarely hear people talking about them. They are definitely slept on. I love their apple and aloe line. I did try their original products. Like, all their products are good on me, but I mostly like the apple and aloe. I don't know what it is, but I just love the smell. They do offer thick products. I love their oils, Instant Shine. I love the gels. It does not get flaky. Your hair is still soft. This is it. It doesn't get flaky, so it doesn't get like your hair is not hard or anything. Now the last one I want to talk about, which is a product that's been around for like ever. It is African Pride. Yes, I know some people they say certain things about African Pride, but they're based out of Stone Mountain, Georgia. The only product I use from that line is their deep conditioner, their protein deep conditioner. I know you're starting to have like, when I went to, I can't remember which one it was. I think it was Curl Fest. They did give out little samples. I don't know if you can see them, but they did give out little samples. And you know, they're switching it up. Like I said, I love their protein deep conditioner. I use it, my daughter uses it. So those are some of the natural hair products from my state, which is Georgia. So like show off the products from your state, how they work in your hair, or just how they work in general. You know, tag me. You know, I want to see that as well, because I think most people don't, like, they just pick stuff up, but I like to like you know, let me try out this person. And it's so crazy how you could like come across so many brands that I wouldn't say they're popular, but I would say, you know, a lot of people are using them. You're like, oh my god, I never knew about this. You know, you start to do more research, you start looking into them, you start following them on social media. You're like, oh my god, like, wow, I've been sleeping on this brand, I ain't know nothing about this brand. Like, interesting to put like videos out there to like put people on, basically. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.